Hello guys, welcome to wecodeinpython YouTube channel. And in the video series of this tutorial, that is portfolio website builder tool. So we have created all the template files. Now the time is to create some authentication model for sign up and login. So let's get started. Before going further, I'd like ask to you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and please like this video. So I hope you have subscribed my channel and like this video. So let's get started. So we have created all the template files so far. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, this is our home page. So let's just configure this login, sign up and login on. So for that we need uh, a library that is called django allauth. So you can install this django allauth using this command in command prompt, and these are the requirements that we need. So let's start doing this. So just quit the server, install the library, and I have downloaded this. uh, so this says that requirements already satisfied. And so go back to this, go back to settings. Now we need to configure this. In the all auth settings, we need authentication backends, installed apps. So these all installed apps we need to register there. So just copy these four and paste here. Because we already have auth and admin, auth and messages, so we are not adding these apps here. The next thing is authentication backends. Copy and paste it here. Remove this. Then the next thing is site ID. Copy, paste, and this one is last. So in the main URLs, and this is for login, logout system, that is accounts and all of the URLs. So we need to run this command first. Let's run this. So this command creates the table in the database. So you can see here all the tables are created now. Just run the server. And let's configure these buttons. Okay, so The navigation bar is this nav bar, this one. Here we need to configure these buttons. So how we can write the URLs? Let's see to the GitHub repository. In the templates, we are having navigation bar, and here we are having account sign up and account login. So let's this add your sign up, login. These URLs are predefined in allauth libraries. So account dot, and this one is accounts logout. Okay, we can add this URL as account change password. So this is all done. Let's see the pages. Sign up. So this is sign up page. This is sign in page. We can go from here, and this says that okay, I did something wrong here. Can't. Okay, close this bracket. Let's see this again. Okay, now it is working fine. So we need to configure the styling of these pages. So how we can do this? We just need to go this uh, GitHub for the URL allauth, allauth django. The Panisser repository is here, Panisser, and the allauth in the account allauth templates. This is the folder that we need. So what we can do, we can clone this templates folder, or we can clone this code from here, and or you can download zip file. So I already downloaded this, so let me go for the Django portfolio. Here I have accounts folder. So what we need to do is just copy this and paste in this templates. So now here, if I go to this and see, here I'm getting the errors as crispy form tags is not registered tags. So what I'll do is I'll go to the signup.html, and here I'm using this load crispy form tags. Remove this and this form. Okay, so if we remove this, let's see the sign up page first. So it's looking like this. So let me use the crispy form tags. What is that crispy form tags? So let me search for the crispy forms in Django. So this is how you can install crispy forms. Let me run this. Okay, it is already in my system. So how I can add? I need to write it in the installed apps. Go to the settings, installed apps. I need to write the crispy forms. Okay, now it is done. Run the server again. Now see for this crispy forms. Now it is working fine. Username, email address, password, and password again. And for sign in it is also working fine. So let's create an account. We can write this as John at gmail.com. Password, you can write John at 1234. John at 1234. Sign up. Okay, this is running. So it says that no connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. Why this error is here? This is because of this email confirmation. So what we need to do is we need to set the default is equals to false for the email confirmation. How we can do this? Just go to Django portfolio, and in this you are having this my portfolio, and in this settings.py, and here you can see the bottom auto email verification none. Copy this settings, paste here. So this is now done. Go back. Okay, now John 1. That's for another sign up. John at 1234. John at 1234. So it is saying the password is too similar to the username. Okay, so let me try another. WICK WHICH 1234 WHICH 1234. Sign up, and now it says accounts.profile. So it is redirecting to the profile page that we have not created yet. So we need to configure the login redirect. So how we can do this? We need to write login redirect URL equals to home. Let me confirm this. Okay, this is fine. Just log out again. It will successfully signed in as John 1. Let me sign out. Can sign login. John 1. John 1. Okay, fine. WICH. So successfully signed in as John 1. So here we have two options, can log out and the password change. So this is how we can implement this. Okay, it says okay. For the logout we need to go to the navigation bar. Okay, this is the navigation bar, and this is the bracket. Go back, log out. Okay, refresh this. Now it is working fine. Okay, done. So let's create a super user. Python manage dot py create super user. Super user is the admin. So let me write this as email address blank and the password. Yeah. So I logged in. Now I need to log into the admin account. Okay, it is taking time. Password. Okay, done. So here you can see the users. There are 3 users currently, and this one is the staff, and there is 2 users. This is how you can manage your accounts. So this is how you can do the sign up and login using Django. So now we will create the next thing, that is this information about the user. So let's create this.